back at it. We're going to get this bit up here done and get all this bit back in here to get all that strength back in there. I am also going to get some of this painted up in red oxide as well, to get to see and show you really where I am with all the bits I've done so far. So it looks like I've actually done something. So I'm going to make this panel now. I'm going to start making this. It's a bit involved. This it's got a few curves and bits in it, so we'll try and make it as best I can, and then try and modify it to go in there. So let's go over to the bench and start doing some of this. So got this beam sealer off, as you can see there. It's all off now. Got these little grooves in here, as you can see. So I've got all them back in there. I mean, it's got a bit of an odd shape. Comes right at the top there and it bends around at the top. As you can see it really well in there. But yeah, so it's going to be a little bit tricky, but we'll give it a go. So we'll do that now, and then I just want to show you this little mini grind I've got. I've been using this. I don't know if you've probably seen it in the videos. It's got a nice little button on this one. So the other one was a slide up button, which is a bit of a pain. That's why it broke. But yeah, I got that for $38.99 with 2 batteries and a charger. Also got this Ironhound one, battery one. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Works well. I ain't got to worry about keep plugging it in as well, which is handy. So yeah, really pleased with that. Also got Parkside weld mask for about 25 quid from Lidl's. Yeah, it's alright, and it's good for grinding and stuff as well. So instead of getting sparks in my face, yeah, so I'm happy with that. So I've scratched it already quite a bit, as you can see on there. So these have got 2 welding masks, and I can actually see what I'm doing now. So let's crack on with this now, get some metal and cut this out, and let's get going. So there you go, all smoothed up. Got all these welds put in here. That's where I put them little slits in there so I could get the shape of that. It's exactly the same, so I could bend it and get that nice curve to it all the way around. So yeah, so we've got that on there now, like that. So what I've got to do now is get these little bits here done. If you can see them there, see them? There's one there and one there. So what I was thinking about doing is getting this like chisel and putting on that side and then bending that to the shape of this. So look, that's pretty good now, I think, for both of them. So that's what I'm going to try now. See if I can mess it up. But yeah, we're going to do that now. Get these bits done and then carry on. So this is all cleaned up now. I've got this cleaned up ready for this panel to go in. As you can see there, I've got the little bits put in, as you can see. So that matches up to this corner and down there, as you can see up there. So that's all ready to go. I've done all the holes ready. So we're pretty much ready to rock and roll here. We're going to get it in there and weld it in, and that looked pretty nice. So I've run out of black primer, so I've just dusted this over to protect that when I put that bit on. And then I can then paint it all after. But yeah, it looks quite cool, really, to be honest. So we'll get this welded in and let's go. So I'm going to call it a day, as this has took a few hours to do this. So I've got most of this welded in. I blew a little hole here and up there through, but I managed to sort it. But there's a few little bits I've got to carry on doing. I've got to cut this here to push that in further to get this to meet up, and then I'll plug all these little welds, and then I'll go around the other side and do that as well, because I've got a few bits to do on that side. But yeah, it's nearly there. So anyway, it's the end of the video. Thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.